roll over to you, gotta give her release. Spread your legs down, down, I'm going out the heat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock, I be sweet. I'ma roll on the forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in a
maroon and a yellow go together. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Promise. I'm back with another banging video. Today we'll be doing a wig install and a makeup with me. It's kind of a get ready with me, but a tutorial of wig and makeup. Yep, as you can see how this look. If you want to know how I get this look, how I look so cute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video like this. And see you in the video, okay? I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. So guys, this is the wig. It's a 22-inch, I think. It's from Well. Some company on Amazon called Well. This is where the hair coming from. It's a 22-inch, I think so, but I'm not too sure. It's a 22-inch or 24 maybe. I'm not too sure, but this is the length. This is my first time trying a colorful wig. I think I tried a brown wig before, but it was not all brown. It was like black and brown. But this is my first time trying like a colorful wig, so I hope it be cute with this makeup. Twist it up. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. This cocoa, I know dress on by now. Smoking. Okay, only one more. Forehead. I love this thing to calm my eyebrows.
Boy got the full body do-rag out. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. When you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Yeah, my baby,
This the hair, this how it came out. I'm just leaving it straight like that because I'm in a rush, but we're about to do the makeup. I'm not styling, I'm just doing a straight wig today and see how I look in a straight wig with a makeup done. Full face beat, so better see. Okay, so first thing first, always prime your face. Make primer. So let me go change quick. I'll be right back. Okay, this makeup is making. I'll be right back. So guys, this the makeup, this how it came out, and this the hair. like this color and the yellow, the maroon and the yellow go together. This yellow and the maroon, see how it match with my skin? Like, it's giving. I was scared to wear the yellow and the hair together, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. It make it look like you fun like this, guys. So this is the end of the video. This how the hair came out, like the yellow and the maroon is giving. Okay, it's giving. So guys, this is the hair. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The makeup, let me stop talking. Let me just end this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos like this, and see you in the next video. Peace out.